What do you have on your hands, Keekee?
It's medicine.
Show.
This is magic capsule.
Magic capsules.
Yes.
Show. Keep it.
Put them in warm water and see them grow. They will become so big.
Wow! Hooray!
What all animals do we have? Can you have a look? Tell me.
Giraffe,
Mm-hmm.
rabbit,
No, it's a rabbit.
What is this?
lion,
Yes. And this one?
kangaroo,
This one? This one? You know this one?
elephant.
Yes. Nice. We'll put them in water and we'll see them grow. 12 soft form animals. These are capsules. So we have to put it in warm or hot water, and within few minutes, foam animal will come.
Kids will see them grow and they'll really enjoy the activity. These magic foam capsules is for ages 3+, and yes, parent supervision is highly recommended. Kids should not swallow this.
We'll put water in the glass and then we drop this capsule and it will become a foam animal. You want to see them grow? You want to see them grow? Yes. Yes. We will put one by one. Okay? One by one. Now we will add water. Okay?
Show.
Rabbit,
Red capsule. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
A few moments later.
Impala.
yes.
This is Impala.
Can I touch?
This one. Keekee, this one. Impala. We got Impala first. Now we are going to add blue color. Okay. Do you want to put blue capsule now? This one. First this one. Put this one. Can we put two together?
Yes.
Yeah, we are adding yellow also.
I want green.
Green we'll put next. Put yellow
Put
first.
a
No, blue is there, you put yellow now. Yeah, Tutu! Are you happy?
Yes.
See, they are growing. They are coming out of capsule. Yellow capsule and blue capsule.
A few moments later.
See, Keekee, I think it is panther. But we have to take it out, then we have to check and match with the image, okay? This is camel! See, it has hum. Can you see? C for camel. Yes, C for camel. Which color? You want green now? Take. Okay, now put blue and green together. Now they will grow in some time. You have to wait for 2-3 minutes, Keekee.
A few moments later.
What happened, baby? Why are you lying? Why are you lying here? What happened?
Maybe more not coming.
Oh, this is zebra. Zebra, see, zebra, Keekee, inside. See, your foam animal is there. Wow. How many legs do zebra have? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Keekee, tell me, how is it? Is it soft or is it hard?
Stop.
Oh, what is in your hand? Which animal is in your hand?
Green.
Green is zebra. Zebra is walking? Wow. This is Keekee Impala.
1, 2.
This is Black Panther. This is camel and this is zebra.
Hooray!
See, like